Oh no!
Is that yummy?
Upside down.
Yummy. Yeah, big girl. It is good. It's nice to pour on the floor too. Here's your other hand. There you go. You doing it?